playing this crazy. Whoa! Here comes Aaron. This is the Tackle Daddy game. Tackle Daddy. No, don't come down here. Go run. Go run. Go run. Come on, run at Daddy. Go.
One more. Oh!
She just launches herself at you. Okay, do it again. Daddy's already done this about 70 times. Go run again. Okay, you can have your fuzz. Oh.
Run.
Run, Aaron. More run. That's so funny. Okay, come on. Go.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh no. What happened?
Okay, more.
Do not bump your cheek. What is that? The doggy on TV?
This is their favorite part. Okay, then Whoa!
Oh, watch that.
Yeah, there's the doggy. Oh, it took the bone.
Did he take the bone in the house? Oh, is he gonna eat it in there? Yeah.
Are you gonna run some more? All right, ready, set.
Aaron.
Watch Aaron. No! Woo! So there we go. This is a really insane game. I am really kind of glad I'm not Henry right now. All right, together, two at once. Help
Are
Aaron.
you gonna help Aaron?
Help Aaron.
Two at once.
Help Aaron.
Let's go, Aaron.
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh,
keep
come on.
going.
Oh my gosh.
You fall and bump your back.
Yeah. Oh, that little hiney just running away is so funny. Okay, help Aaron, Nathan, this time. Don't let her fall. Help her. Okay, ready? Help Aaron. Ready, set, go.
Help her stand up.
Yep, help her stand up.
Help her stand up.
Help her run.
Ready, go.
Oh!
Go.
Oh, yay! Woohoo!
Oh, no.
Oh, hitting. Oh, we gotta go.